The proofing tools in Word include the Spell Checker, Grammar Checker, and Thesaurus. Some people like to customize the options regarding these proofing tools. If you wanted to, you'd have to click File in the ribbon, then click Options, and then click Proofing. Sorts of things people will do is they'll untick Check Spelling as you type. I actually like to leave that ticked because I appreciate it when Word puts a little wiggle under a word that it thinks is misspelt or is grammatically incorrect. Other things people might do is untick Check Grammar with spelling. I actually like to check my grammar when I'm checking my spelling, so I'm going to leave that option on. But this is where you'd go if you wanted to customize your spelling and grammar checker, so I'll click Cancel. As far as running the spelling and grammar checker, you could click this button on the Quick Access toolbar. Notice Word also says that the shortcut key is the function key F7. F7 would run the spelling and grammar checker. Alternatively, you could go to Review in the ribbon and to the far left click the Spelling and Grammar button. Any words that it has issues with it brings to your attention. First of all, before I go any further, I want to check my dictionary language. It's on English UK and I'm happy with that. English UK or English New Zealand are both good, but English US, their spelling is too different from ours. So I'll leave it on English UK. This is a commonly confused word. It believes that there should not be an apostrophe in the its, and so the suggestion is its without an apostrophe. So I'm going to change. Now it believes that I have got a full stop and a comma, and I should have a comma or a full stop and not both. If I look behind this window, I can see that I should have a full stop. So I'm going to choose full stop and I'm going to choose change. If I make a mistake, I can always go undo, and if I don't want to check my grammar, I can always untick this option. But I'll click close. I'm going to press Ctrl Home to the top of my document. Sometimes when we write a document, we tend to stick to the same words. Perhaps I want a different word to space, so I'll click space and I'll right-click space. And I'll go to synonyms. These are words that have similar meaning, and I could choose any one of these and replace space with any one of these listed words. Or I could click Thesaurus and bring up the Thesaurus on the right hand side of my screen. These are all very, very similar words, and if I wanted to, I could click a word and go deeper and deeper to find other words, so I'll click Area. I've now got a new list of words. If I want to go back, I'll hit the back button. If I want to replace the word space with the word area, I'll hit the triangle that appears to the right of area, and I'll choose Insert. And I've now replaced space with area. You can continue to choose words and look up alternative words using the Thesaurus.